Hey guys, welcome back to Late Night Nick. Today we're going to be looking at these cheap little gaming speakers I bought from Kmart today. So nothing special, just I think about $15 a pop. You get a little box with it. You get a 3.5 headphone audio jack and a USB. USB is for power, audio jack is for input. A little bit of bubble wrap to keep it from getting damaged. It makes a nice, satisfying. It's sort of like it's definitely plastic, but they got nice metallic feel, nice metallic look to them, which is quite good. $15. You get a little knob to adjust the volume. So here you'll see that I've tried to set it up so I've got like a little 240 to 4 USB plug with 4 sort of USB outlets underneath my desk. I've hooked it up to that. Hooked it up to the computer, then hooked it up to that again. I was hoping that I'd be able to pick one color for this to stay on, but unfortunately $15 you don't get that option. It changes continuously through all the colors. So if you were hoping for just one color or going for a theme or something like that, I really like to go a purple theme. It is my wife's computer, but personally I just love the color purple. It's sick. But yeah, it's unfortunately just keep flashing in between, which is a real shame because the purple does flash up. It is quite a nice one. So here we're going to go for our first sound test, and this is with the speakers themselves. So now we compare the sound of those speakers to the ones that came in the Slimline desktop tower. And I did double check that it was turned all the way up, but that's all you get. And this is just being compared to an iPhone XS at full volume. So yeah, just my wife's phone at full volume, all the same copyright free music, same distance, and just the speakers again. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, personally I rate the product about, let's say 4 stars out of 5. You know, they're not the best sounding speakers, but yeah, for the price you can't complain. I prefer if they stayed one colour, you had that selection, but again, that's the price you get, that's what you get. Subscribe if you want more content.